This brownie is the best. This brownie can kick butt.
Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most amazing brownies you have ever tried in your entire life. I've been searching high and low for the best brownie recipe ever, and I came up with a mixture of a few to come up with the ultimate brownie recipe. I hope you guys are hungry. Let's get cooking. Started on our brownies. We have 8 ounces of dark Ghirardelli chocolate chips, and we have 2 sticks of butter, hot and melted. We're gonna pour that into our chocolate chips here, and then we're going to start stirring it so that all our chocolate is fully melted into our butter. And then we're going to set that aside. And here we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and we have 4 eggs right here. I'm going to pour our vanilla extract in there. We have half a teaspoon of salt. This is salt. And we have 1 cup of white granulated sugar and 1 cup of tightly packed dark brown sugar. We're gonna add that. And now we're gonna use our electric hand mixer to really beat this up. As you can see, our egg and sugar mixture has thickened considerably, and you see a lot of bubbles. That's what we want. To that, we're going to slowly, bit by bit, add our melted butter chocolate mixture. We don't want to add it too quickly because then we're going to cook the eggs, and you don't want that. It's called tempering the eggs. I'm going to stir it. All of the rest of the chocolate. There we go. All right. Isn't that just looking luscious? So now we're gonna add our last ingredient, which is the flour. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And this we don't want to mix in too much because then the consistency of our brownies will be too light and fluffy, more like a cake texture. And we want our brownies to be really rich and fudgy. So we're just going to softly incorporate it all in there. Take our buttered pan and we're going to fill it with our brownie batter. Look at that heaven right there. Now we're going to stick this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes, and we are going to have the most rich, delicious brownies you have ever had in your entire life. Guaranteed. I'll see you in 45 minutes. Take a close-up of this beauty. Have you ever seen a brownie that rich and fudgy? I didn't till I found this recipe. You guys need to make this recipe. This brownie has a crispy outer edge that is so chewy and a center that is so fudgy, you won't believe. This brownie is good the next day, if it lasts that long, which this one is not going to last very long. Did I mention the top also has a crust too that is crispy and chewy, just like the edges? I forgot to mention that, didn't I? Well, it does. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
World you've ever seen. This brownie is the best. This brownie can kick butt. This brownie has no competition. Let me try, please. Todo lo que sube tiene que caer. Give me a second.
Óyeme.
Give me a second to relish
Óyeme,
this.
esto es como si un tres leches y un brownie tuvieran un baby y se lo comieron juntos. Y esto está riquísimo, claro. Mira, mi gente, esto está. ¡Oh! ¡Woo! ¡Woo! I need to go. Later.